In recent years, personal drones have become more affordable and more people have started to add awesome drone shots in their videos. Many of these cool drones are produced by Chinese tech companies, so today we're looking at the top 5 best Chinese drones. Don't forget to subscribe and like for new tech videos. With that said, let's jump in with number 5. Number 5 is the Breeze 4K. Muscling in on DJI and Parrot's position at the mid to high end of the market is relative newcomer UNC, which burst into the scene with its mean-looking Typhoon drone in 2015. The Breeze 4K is a different proposition entirely. It's aptly named as it couldn't be easier to set up. You just fold out the 4 wings, install the UNC smartphone app, and get started. It's really easy to pilot with its intuitive on-screen controls. Unlike the Parrot and DJI models, it doesn't have a compatible joystick controller, but this is a relatively small drawback. To complete the package, the Breeze comes with built-in social media connectivity, so you can instantly show everyone how amazing your holiday is with a simple tap of the app. All in all, it's a great drone for Instagram fans, but don't let that fool you into thinking it's a gimmick. It produces great 4K images and videos. One issue is that the battery runs down quickly. You'll only get 12 minutes on a single 40-minute charge. Coming in at number 4 is the DJI Spark. The latest release of DJI, the Chinese brand which currently sits atop the drone world, is a bit of a game changer. For one simple fact, it's so small. The vast majority of drones that offer full HD video quality are significantly larger, meaning that they aren't practical for use in many situations. The Spark easily fits in the palm of your hand and is light and portable with the included plastic case. Despite its small frame, the Spark comes with many of the same flight modes. It has active track, which allows you to automatically follow a subject, and helix, which makes the drone perform a cinematic corkscrew around you as it ascends. A great feature is that you can take it out of the case, start flying straight away using only hand gestures. Once you take it out, you point your palm at it and then move it in any direction and the drone will follow. Remember to subscribe and like Chema Media for cool new videos. Let's move on to number 3. The DJI Phantom range is the best seller for good reason. Out of the box, it is a beautiful piece of slick white plastic, and when it gets into the air, it is fantastically responsive and boasts an unrivaled set of features. It darts around exactly where you want it to at breakneck speeds of 20 meters per second or 45 miles per hour, yet still captures slick footage thanks to the gimbal-mounted camera and the steadiness of the machine itself. It will hold its position even in moderate winds and always feels sturdy and reliable. Even for a novice, it's easy to handle via the controls provided using a phone or a tablet for first-person view. It's the Phantom's impressive set of tricks that sets it apart, however. Tap an object in the view of your phone and the drone will lock onto it as you fly around and capture footage from all angles. It can also track moving objects. Battery life is respectable at 25 minutes and the range is about 5 kilometers. The Phantom 4 clearly raised the bar when released, but then DJI brought out the Maverick Pro. A year on from the release, this model has become a favorite among drone enthusiasts and travel bloggers alike. It essentially bundles all of the impressive abilities of its bigger brother into an unbelievably teeny package that you can fold up and throw into your hand luggage. A Maverick is an ultimate flying camera to take on your holiday or your adventure sports weekend. With top speeds of 40 miles per hour, it isn't quite as fast as the Phantom, but can track objects and automatically avoid obstacles in the same way. The camera has a narrower field of view, but for most purposes it makes little difference. The quality is still razor-sharp 4K. The battery lasts around 25 minutes and it has the longest range of all the models at 7 kilometers. Coming in at number 1 is the Typhoon HPRO. UNC is one of DJI's only realistic competitors at the top end of the drone market at the moment, and its Typhoon HPRO model competes squarely with the Phantom 4. The Typhoon's distinct design has 6 blades as opposed to the usual 4, and it can still fly if one of them breaks down. It also has a controller with a built-in 7-inch touchscreen monitor, meaning you don't have to rely on your smartphone or tablet as you do with the Phantom or Maverick. On the negative side, the controller is on the larger side, making it impractical in some circumstances. The drone itself is quick and simple to handle, with top speeds of 43.5 miles per hour, slightly slower than DJI's Phantom 4. Picture quality from the 12MP camera is also crisp, and you can get some really impressive footage using some of the different shooting modes. The RealSense obstacle avoidance system works well in most instances, but can't pick up hazards unless they are approaching from the front. Battery life is slightly shorter than Phantom 4 and Maverick, with a maximum of 20 to 25 minutes. Overall, this is a great drone, and it competes well with the DJI models. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more top 5 videos and leave a comment below to tell us which drone you like, and if you are looking to buy a drone, check out the links in the description. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.